Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting to the library on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are in a book, all you have to do is tap the top portion of the screen and this toolbar will appear. You then need to tap Home in the top left. You will now be on the Kindle home screen. From here, tap Library in the bottom right to get to the library. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.